I love oranges. This that I'm holding now is an orange. It's a cleanser. So powerful, spiritually, and effective. You can use this to cleanse your space. In today's video, I want to share with you 4 powerful remedies you can use to cleanse your space in order to attract lots of money. And money will come from unexpected sources once you use this. Clean your home, clean your house, clean your space, clean your business with these 2 remedies, and money will flow from unexpected resources. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Golden Blossom channel. My name is Jackie and this is the Golden Blossom channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how to clean your house with this cleansing ratio, and money will come from unexpected sources. Let me tell you, sometimes in order for negative energy to go out, we need to clean the space. Sometimes in order for us to receive positive energy, we need to let out the negative energy. I personally donate things that I don't want or things that I no longer use in order for me to receive new things. And trust me, anytime I do that, money flows. I receive unexpected money from different sources. Let me know if that has ever happened to you, and I pray whoever is watching me right now, may God bless you abundantly. May God bless you with lots of money from unexpected sources. Yes, so in order for you to receive lots and lots of money, you are going to do this ratio. Clean your house with these 2 powerful home remedies, and your life will never stay the same because you are cleansing. These are 2 powerful cleansers, so effective and natural. So you are going to need 2 things: this orange, and the next thing you're going to need is salt. You can use any kind of salt. You can use sea salt or you can use normal salt, but remember never to use the salt that has been used to cook before. You always have to get new salt, okay? So for those of you who have used this, or for those of you who have ever tried this cleansing ratio, you already know how powerful it is. Once you do it, positive energy will stay in your home, and no negative and no enemy and no evil will come into you. All the bad dreams, all the bad luck will stay out of your space. This is my salt and this is the orange. These 2 things are so powerful, effective and natural. These are home remedies. You can get them from anywhere. Hope you have realized how small my salt is, because I do cleansing a lot. Okay, so you are going to get the orange peeling, only the orange peeling. Add to your cleaning water and add salt and mix them together. Allow them to sit for 1 to 2 hours before mopping or before cleaning your place. Remember, you can use this water to clean everywhere, and negative energy, bad lucks, evil, all the blockages that you have been facing, the bad dreams that are stopping you to get your success, will be locked away from your space. So no enemy or evil will come to your place. And remember, once you do this cleansing, any person who has come to do an attack or any witchcraft that has been sent to you will stay away. They'll go back immediately to the sender, because this is so powerful. So after letting your water to sit 1 to 2 hours, you are going to pray with it before mopping your house. You are going to say Psalms 112 chapter 3 that says, wealth and riches are in their houses, so their righteousness endures forever. Anyone who believes in the law of attraction, this is for you. God loves purity and God loves pure people. So anytime you clean and cleanse your space, good things will come in. You will allow space for new things to come in. If you have belief and faith, this is going to work for you immediately as soon as you do it. Declare good things. May riches fall into my house. May abundance and prosperity, may wealth flow unto me. May wealth flow unto my family. So if you are there and your family or all your family members are struggling with life, so you have to declare good things unto your house. So whoever shall enter your house will be blessed forever. Whoever shall enter your house will be rich. Let wealth, abundance, and prosperity reign into your house. Let me tell you, this works so powerful. These two things are so powerful and cleansing. So if it's a generation curse that any of your family member will never be rich, just do this and see how your life will change immediately. Clean your house with these two powerful things, and money will come in from unexpected resources. These are so powerful. Just try them and remember to pray with them. Declare all the good things that you want in your life. Declare all the good things that you want in your home, so that your home will be a safe place, free and safe space for good energy, to allow in good vibration, good things to come in, and flow of money. Please try it out. Declare good things as you are mopping, and you will see how good things will come into your house. You will see how money, if you are facing financial issues, financial problems, if anyone in your family has never got that much money, you will be the first one. You will be the first millionaire in your family. Just try it and money will rain into your house. And after declaring good things in your house, you are going to get that water and pour it in your compound. As you are pouring it in your compound, say, shall no evil pass in this compound. I send away the spirits of poverty, so no poverty will follow me. Riches will come into my house. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.